problem, x minus 2 into y plus 5 is equal to x minus 1 into y plus 2, y minus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to x plus 7 into y minus 4. Before solving this problem, first we have to convert this equation in the form ax plus by is equal to c. For this, consider the first equation. So, let x minus 2 into y plus 5 is equal to x minus 1 into y plus 2. Just open the bracket. We know that a plus b into c plus d is ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. So like this, the equation becomes xy, x into y plus x into 5, that is 5x, minus 2 into y is minus 2y, minus 2 into 5 is minus 10, which is equal to, consider the next part, x into y is xy, x into 2 is 2x, minus 1 into y is minus y, and minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Now take all terms left side. To the left side we get xy plus 5x minus 2y minus 10 minus xy minus 2x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. If we take xy to the left side, it becomes minus xy. If we take plus 2x to the left side, it becomes minus 2x. Also minus y becomes plus y and minus 2 become plus 2. So the equation becomes xy minus xy, and the x terms are plus 5x minus 2x, and the y terms are minus 2y plus y. Then the constant terms are minus 10 plus 2 equal to 0. xy minus xy is 0. 5x minus 2x is 3x. Minus 2y plus 2y is minus y. Minus 10 plus 2 is minus 8 equal to 0. And take the minus 8 to the right side. It becomes 3x minus y is equal to 8. This is the equation 1. Now consider the second equation, that is y minus 3 into x plus 4 is equal to x plus 7 into y minus 4. Simplify the brackets, we get y into x is yx, y into 4 is plus 4y, minus 3 into x is minus 3x, minus 3 into 4 is minus 12 is equal to, RHS side is x into y is xy, x into minus 4 is minus 4x, 7 into y is 7y, and 7 into minus 4 is minus 28. So it becomes, take right side to the left, it becomes yx plus 4y minus 3x minus 12. If we take xy to the left side, it becomes minus xy, and minus 4x to the left side, it becomes plus 4x. Similarly, plus 7y becomes minus 7y, and minus 28 become plus 28 is equal to 0. So it becomes yx minus xy, yx is also same as xy, plus 4y minus 7y plus minus 3x plus 4x plus minus 12 plus 28 is equal to 0. yx is also same as xy. So yx minus xy is 0 plus 4y minus 7y is minus 3y. Minus 3x plus 4x is plus x plus 28 minus 12. 28 minus 12 is 16 is equal to 0. And the equation is x minus 3y plus 16 is equal to 0. Take the constant term to the right side. It becomes x minus 3y is equal to minus 16. This is equation number 2. Now we get the equations are 3x minus y is equal to 8 and x minus 3y is equal to minus 16. And solve this equation by the elimination method. So just multiply equation 1 by 1. So here the coefficient of x is 1. So also multiply equation 2 by 3. So if we multiply equation 1 by 1, it becomes 1 into 3x minus y is equal to 8. And if we multiply equation 2 by 3, it becomes 3 into x minus 3y is equal to 3 into minus 16. 3 into, just open the bracket, it becomes 3x minus 9y is equal to 3 into 16 is 3 into 6, 8, 18, then 1 into 3, 4. Minus 48. 3x minus 9y is equal to minus 48. This is the fourth equation. 3x minus 9y is equal to minus 48. This is the fourth equation. We know that 3x minus 3x is 0. So just subtract equation 3 and 4. We get 3x minus 3x plus here minus y minus 9y is equal to 8 minus 48. So the value is 3x minus 3x is 0x plus minus y minus plus 9y is equal to 8 plus 48. Minus y plus 9y, that is 9y minus y is 8y. 8y is equal to 8 plus 48 is 56. So the value of y is 56 divided by 8. 56 divided by 8 is 7. Substitute the value in equation number 1. Put y is equal to 7 in equation 1. We get 3x minus y is equal to 8. That is 3x minus 7 is equal to 8, which implies 3x is equal to 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. So 3x is equal to 15 implies x is equal to 15 by 3, that is 5. So the solution is x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 7. This is the solution. We are going to discuss simultaneous linear equations in 3 unknowns. We know that what is a simultaneous linear equations in 3 unknowns. There are 3 unknowns and 3 equations with the degree of each unknown is 1. That is the simultaneous equation in 3 unknowns should contain x, y and z. And 3 equations comes together. To solve such type of equation, we use the methods like elimination, substitution and cross multiplication as we used for simultaneous equations of 2 unknowns. So to solve such problems, first reduce the 3 equations with 3 unknowns to two equations with two unknowns. And then we get another two equations with two unknowns. Then reduce these two equations with two unknowns to one equation with one unknown. Then we get the value of one unknown and substitute the value of the unknown non-variable to the one of the equation. We get another two unknowns. So before solving this type of equation, first reduce three equations with the three unknowns to two equation with the two unknowns. Then it reduced to one equation with one unknown, and also we get one non-variable. Then substitute this value to one of the equation. We get the other two unknowns. Is it clear? We are going to discuss problems in simultaneous equations of three unknowns. Our first problem is solve x plus y minus z is equal to 4, x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to minus 6, 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 7. And mark it as equation number 1. It is 2 and this is 3. Our aim is to eliminate z. To eliminate z from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. Our first step is reduce the equations, three equations in three unknowns to two equations in two unknowns. So to get two equations in two unknowns, we eliminate z from these equations. First, eliminate z from 1 and 2. We know that here the coefficient of z is minus 1 and here the coefficient of z is 3. So, just multiply equation 1 by 3. That is, equation 1 into 3 implies 3 into x plus y minus z is equal to 3 into 4. That is 3x plus 3y minus 3z is equal to 12. And the second equation is x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to minus 6. This is equation number 4 and this is equation number 2. Here the coefficient of z is 1. So there is no need to multiply equation 2 by 1. We know that any number multiplied by 1 is 1. Sorry, that number. So also we know that minus 3z plus 3z is 0. So to eliminate z, just add equation 4 and 2. So it becomes equation 4 plus 2 implies 3x plus x plus 3y plus minus 2y plus minus 3z plus 3z equal to 12 plus minus 6. 3x plus x is 4x plus 3y minus 2y is y. Minus 3z plus 3z is 0 and 12 minus 6 is 6. So our next equation is 4x plus y is equal to 6. And now consider equation 1 and 3. That is, to eliminate z from equation 1 and 3. Here the coefficient of z is minus 1 and plus 1. So we already know that minus z plus z is 0. So to eliminate z from equation 1 and 3, just add these two equations. That is, equation 1 plus equation 3 implies x plus y minus z is equal to 4, 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 7. Just add this equation, we get x plus 2x plus y plus 3y plus minus z plus z equal to 4 plus 7. So x plus 2x is 3x, y plus 3y is 4y, minus z plus z is 0, and 4 plus 7 is 11. So the sixth equation is 3x plus 4y equal to 11. Now we get two equations in two unknowns, that are 4x plus y equal to 6 and 3x plus 4y equal to 11. And just solve this equation, we get the value of x and y. Then substitute the value of x and y in one of the equation, we get the value of z. Fifth equation is 4x plus y is equal to 6 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 11. This is the simultaneous equations of two unknowns. We already know how to solve such type of equation. So first make the coefficient of x same in both case. For this, here the coefficient of x is 4 and here the coefficient of x is 3. So just multiply equation 5 by 3 and equation 6 by 4. Equation 5 by 3 means 3 into 4x plus y is equal to 3 into 6. 3 into 4x is 12x plus 3 into y is 3y is equal to 3 into 6 is 18. This is our new equation number 7. And equation 6 into 4 implies 4 into 3x plus 4y is equal to 4 into 11, which implies 4 into 3x is 12x plus 4 into 4y is 16y is equal to 4 into 11 is 44. So this is our new equation 8. Here the coefficient of x is same. So to eliminate x from this equation, just subtract this. So equation 7 minus 8 implies 12x plus 3y equal to 18 minus 12x plus 16y equal to 44. Just subtract this equation, we get 12x minus 12x plus 3y minus 16y is equal to 18 minus 44. 12x minus 12x is 0 and 3y minus 16y is minus 13y is equal to 18 minus 44 is minus 26. And y is minus 26 divided by minus 13. Negative negative get cancelled and 26 by 13 is 2. And substitute the value of 2 in any of the equation. That is put y is equal to 2 in equation number 5. We get 4x plus y equal to 6. That is 4x plus 2 equal to 6. 4x is 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4x is equal to 4 implies x is equal to 4 by 4 equal to 1. So here the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 2. So to find the value of this z, substitute the value of x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 in equation number 1. That is, put x is equal to 1 and y equal to 2 in equation 1. We get x plus y minus z is equal to 4. X value is 1 and y value is 2 minus z is equal to 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus z is equal to 4. So the value is 3. The value is minus z is equal to 4 minus 3. Minus z is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1 and z is equal to minus 1. Just change the sign. So z is equal to minus 1. So our solution is x is equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z is equal to minus 1. This is our solution. Problem is solve x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 7, 2x plus y plus z is equal to 4, minus 3x plus 2y minus 2z is equal to minus 10. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, this is equation 3. Our first aim is to convert or to reduce 3 equations in 3 unknowns to 2 equations into 2 unknowns. So, for this, just eliminate z from this equation. First, eliminate z from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and 2. In this case, the coefficient of z is 3 in equation 1 and 1 in equation 2. To make the coefficient same, first multiply equation 2 by 3. So it implies 3 into 2x plus y plus z is equal to 3 into 4. 3 into 2x is 6x plus 3 into y is 3y plus 3 into z is 3z is equal to 3 into 4 is 12. And the first equation is x minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 7. To eliminate z, just subtract this equation. So we get 6x minus x plus 3y minus 2y plus 3z minus 3z is equal to 12 minus 7. 6x minus x is 5x plus 3y minus 2y is 3y plus 2y, which is 5y is equal to 12 minus 7 is 5. Here the 5 is common. So 5 into x plus y is equal to 5. Just cancel this. We get x plus y is equal to 1. This is our next equation. Equation number 4. Next, our aim is eliminate z from equation 2 and 3. Equation 2 and 3. Then here the coefficient of z is 1, here the coefficient is minus 2. So just multiply equation 2 by 2. We get 2 into 2x plus y plus z is equal to 2 into 4. That is 4x plus 2 into y is 2y plus 2 into z is 2z is equal to 8. And the third equation is minus 3x plus 2y minus 2z is equal to 8. We know that 2z plus minus 2z is 2z plus minus 2z is 0. So, to eliminate z, just add this equation. If we add this equation, we get 4x plus minus 3x plus 2y plus 2y plus 2z plus minus 2z is equal to 8 plus, here the value is minus 10. Sorry. So 8 plus minus 10. So the equation becomes 4x minus 3x is x plus 2y plus 2y is 4y. 2z plus minus 2z is 0. 8 minus 10 is minus 2. So our fifth equation is x plus 4y minus 2. Then solve this equation 4 and 5. We get the value of x and y. Then substitute the value of x and y in one of the equation. We get the value of z. We get x plus y equal to 1 and x plus 4y is minus 2. Here the coefficient of x is same. To eliminate x, just subtract this equation. This equation 4 minus 5. That is x minus x plus y minus 4y is equal to 1 minus 2. X minus x is 0. Y minus 4y is minus 3y and 1 plus 2 is 3. So, minus 3y equal to 3 implies y equal to 3 by minus 3, that is minus 1. So, put the value of y equal to minus 1 in equation 4. We get x plus y is equal to 1. Here x plus y is minus 1 equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 minus 1 goes to right side, it becomes plus 1. So x is equal to 2. So the value of y is minus 1 and x is 2. Substitute these values of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1 in equation number 2. We get 2x plus y plus z is equal to 4. Here 2 into x is 2 plus y is minus 1 plus z is equal to 4. 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 1 plus minus is minus 1 plus z is equal to 4, which implies 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 plus z is equal to 4, which implies z is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. So our solution is x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 1. If we substitute these values, x is equal to 2, y equal to minus 1 and z equal to 1, in this equation we get the right side. So our solution is x is equal to 2, y equal to minus 1 and z is equal to 1. Is it clear? Next problem, that is x plus y plus z is equal to 6, x minus y plus z is equal to 2, x plus 2y minus z is equal to 2. This is our first equation, then the second, this is our third equation. First, eliminate z from equation 1 and 2. If we eliminate z from equation 1 and 2, here the coefficient of z is 1, here the coefficient is 1. So just subtract this equation, we get another equation. So first equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 6 and the second equation is x minus y plus z is equal to 2. This is our first equation, this is our second equation. Just subtract this, we get x minus x plus y minus minus y plus z minus z is equal to 6 minus 2. X minus x is 0 plus y minus y is plus y plus 2y. 2y plus 0 is equal to 4. That is 2y is equal to 4 implies y is equal to 4 by 2. That is 2. Y is equal to 2. Substitute the value of y equal to 2 in these two equations. We get, put y is equal to 2 in equation 2. We get x minus y plus z equal to 2 implies x minus 2 plus z is equal to 2, which implies x plus z equal to 2 plus 2, that is x plus z is equal to 4. This is our new equation. and put y equal to 2 in equation number 3. This problem has slight difference from the previous one. So put y is equal to 2 in equation 3. We get x plus 2y minus z is equal to 2. That is x plus 2 into 2 minus z is equal to 2. That is x plus 4 minus z is equal to 2. X minus z is equal to 2 minus 4. That is x minus z is equal to minus 2. This is our next equation. So this is fourth one and this is fifth one. So we get another two equation. Just solve this, we get the value of x and z. The equations as x plus z is equal to 4 and x minus z is equal to minus 2. To eliminate x, here the coefficient of x is same. So to eliminate x, we just subtract this equation. So just subtract this. We get x minus x plus z minus minus z plus 4 minus minus 2. So x minus x is 0, z minus minus z is z plus z, 4 minus minus 2 is 4 plus 2, z plus z is 2z, 2z is equal to 6 and z is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3. Substitute the value of z is equal to 3 in equation 4. We get x plus z is equal to 4, which implies x plus z is 3 equal to 4, which implies x is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. So the solution is x is equal to 1 and we got earlier y as 2 and z is equal to 3. This is our solution. This problem has slight difference from the previous one, so be careful. I think you got the idea of simultaneous equation, also its solutions. Thank you. Thanks for watching.